Hello, boys and girls. All right, some more math for you. I'm gonna talk you through some pages in your math book. We should be moving on to subtracting within 10, which I feel like some of you have already mastered, so I'll probably go ahead and post the next section too this week in case some of you are ready to move on. So subtracting within 10 starts on page 451. Just like adding within 10, it has a page for you to discuss. There's just directions at the bottom. You're just gonna look at the groups of animals or things in the park. Have some discussions with your family about that. They can hopefully help you read through the bottom. There's another black and white page, just like the colored one. Okay, again, there's pages where you're going to look at the problem and you're going to find the math sentence that matches. So for example, on the top one here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks, and I see that 3 of them fly away. So how many do you have left? Your math sentence would be your total is 8 minus 3 equals 5. That's how many you have left. So you're just going to find that sentence and draw a line to it. All right, let's go through here and see. There is lots of pages. This is just like your addition, but you're taking instead of putting numbers together, you're taking them apart. You're decomposing, right? Taking them apart. So you're gonna have your total number of flowers here is 7. You're gonna take 2 away, and then you're gonna count how many do you have left over. That's your other part. All right, so let's look at it in part, whole. This is your whole. This is one part. You're looking for the other part here. All right, and I'll show you how to do that on your number bond if that helps you to put it in number bond form. I know that's probably helping some of you. All right, just lots of pages like that. Again, once you get to this page here, you'll notice that you're using a 10 frame, right? So we know that if the 10 frame is filled in, you don't even have to count. You already know there's 10. So there's 10. You're gonna take away 5. So I would just use my marker or my pencil and I would cross out 5. And then I would count how many I have left over. And that's your other part. That's your answer. All right. Okay, so let's put it in terms of a number bond. So when you are subtracting, decomposing, we did this last week, so I'm just gonna do it quickly here, quick little review for you. When you are subtracting, you have your whole. Okay, so if I had 5 as my whole, and you always have one part. So if I had 5 as my whole, and I knew one part was 1, I'm looking for the other part, right? So I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna cross out the part I know, and I'm gonna count how many I have left. That's my other part. 1, 2, 3, 4 is my other part. So our math sentence would then be, the wind's not in my favor here. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, we did work on that last week, but now you're getting into the pages of subtraction in your math book. So there's a quick review for you, and I will be back with our next section.